I try to fit the look of the machine to the concept that the customer has. We're retrofitting this deluxe paneled system that we did for Café Intermezzo back in 1988. This machine is a two-group machines, but we integrate the two into one machine. It's a look that Café Intermezzo originated, and it's integral to the way they put their cafes together. The way the system extracts the coffee is very unique. The lever goes down, the piston inside rises, and it lets the pressure. So it's a very powerful machine and great for high capacity restaurants, which I know Café Intermezzo absolutely is. It's challenging, but it's a lot of fun to do. And when I'm finished, I'm always really happy with the results.